People are the most important part of our business. That's why we work so hard to provide great service. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now. And that's just one happy experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with everyone. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament of our commitment to satisfaction. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in return, we receive incredible loyalty. Experience our service, and you'll be amazed. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're always here to serve you.